Good day, friends. Today I saw this sweet design by Mika Van Eycken, and I decided I wanted to have one as well. In the middle of this post, it is shown where you can actually buy that part from Amazon, but I wanted to make one in Tinkercad. Did a lot of trials, and here is my version. It slides on the printer up in the top. And then if you want, you can put a screw through and tighten it in. And I think I made this 3mm, and I think the threads will be enough that it'll grip it. I'm confident that this is large enough and it has enough friction that it's not going to move anywhere anyhow. I wanted to print mine laying in this direction, so I went into Mesh Mixer and I generated those supports. Do make sure you remember to snip off these on the inside. They were a little sneaky, and then mine fit like you'll see in the video that follows. And I'm about ready to test my printer with the new Extruder location. Alright friends, by now you've seen this slick design, and I just wanted to share with you that I 3D printed a little design so this can slide on, and you can see there it fits inside the grooves. Get it to the position you want, and then if you want to lock it in, you can simply have a hole in here, and I'll have a hole added to the Thingiverse part, so you could just tighten it down to your rod. I think I'm going to let mine be freely movable so I can adjust it as I get it hammered out to where the best location is. Totally designed in Tinkercad, all using guess and check instead of actually measuring it out. But it turned out pretty sweet, and I'm pretty darn happy and ready for my first test print. Quick shout out to Mika on the Creality Ender 3 group for the idea and getting us started.